Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our active English version. Viewers, the human brain. Human brain appears to move through five distinct structural eras, each separated by major turning points from birth to old age. Researchers found that the brain moves through five major eras of wiring, shaped by four pivotal turning points that typically occur around ages 9, 32, 66, and 83. Brain development that we usually think of as adolescent actually continues far longer than expected, often lasting into the early 30s before the mature adult pattern of neural wiring finally takes hold. Neuroscientists at the University of Cambridge have outlined five major epochs that described how the brain's structure evolves from birth to old age. And these stages reflect large scale reorganizations in the brain's wiring that support new ways of thinking as people develop, mature, and eventually experience decline. A research team from Cambridge MRC Cognition and Brain Sciences Unit analyzed MRI diffusion scan data from 3,802 individuals ranging from newborns to 90 years old, and these scans track the movement of water through brain tissue, allowing scientists to map the pathways that link different regions. Published November 25 in Nature Communications, the study reports that human brain structure tends to move through five broad periods over a lifetime. Four major turning points divide these phases, marking ages when the brain's network layout shifts in notable ways. The first period of brain topology extends from birth to approximately age 9. This is when the transitions into the adolescent phase begins, a period that continues until about age 32 on average. During the early 30s, the brain's wiring pattern moves into what the researchers described as the adult mode. This adult period is the longest, lasting more than 30 years. A subsequent turning point around age 66 marks the beginning of an early aging phase, followed by a late aging period emerging near age 83. We know the brain's wiring is crucial to our development, but we lack a big picture of how it changes across our lives and why, said Dr. Alexa Mousley, a Gates Cambridge scholar who led the research. And this study is the first to identify major phases of brain wiring across a human lifespan. These eras provide important context for what our brains might be raised at or more vulnerable to at different stages of our lives. It could help us understand why some brains develop differently at key points in life, whether it be learning difficulties in childhood or dementia in our later years. Behind this exclusive report, FTV English Delhi, Bharat.